Hi folks, Dr. Taylor here. Well, here we are in week 1, so let's get started. This week, you'll be reviewing terms related to research, in particular, evidence-based practice. Evidence-based practice essentially uses the evidence and translates research into practice, regardless of your healthcare specialty. We will be reviewing terms such as quantitative and qualitative research designs, and you'll have the opportunity to glean a deeper perspective on both of these type research paradigms. In week 1 and throughout the course, we will also be building the final research proposal. And I shared with you about working smarter and not harder. So this week is the first step in developing your final research proposal, and that first step is asking the research question. In the small group discussion board, you will be looking at the PICO or the research question and understand how asking the right question will fuel your final research proposal. Your learning materials will be focused on all things related to this first step. As you can see, here's your textbook readings, and I urge you to go through the text. It's a fabulous text. One note about the text. I want to remind you that this is a graduate level research course, and despite the fact that we are using a nursing textbook, I assure you that quantitative or qualitative research in any form is just that, research. We don't differentiate between nursing or any other specialty. Any well-designed textbook would be applicable. Pollitt and Beck, in particular though, just happen to be preeminent authors, research authors on healthcare research. So I just wanted to point that out to you because I think it's really important. And as I had mentioned last week in the syllabus video, this is a text that will carry you through to postgraduate work. Believe me, it's something I use all the time, even to the present day. You'll also find information on asking that clinical or research question that I had just posed. More information on evidence-based practice in addition to what you find in your text. And something that's important, we'll also be looking at hypothesis, p-values, which will be part of the nuts and bolts of understanding research and, again, developing your research proposal. Another activity that you'll be doing this week is your, let me scroll down, your research article review. And this is going to be a first-hand look at where to get started in being a consumer of research and critiquing. So you will do an article review, and please go through the guidelines. This will guide you through the whole entire process. So if you have any questions, communication is key. That's my last point. I want to make sure that you understand to post any questions in the Ask Your Discussion blog. I'm just going to go into the full class discussions and make sure you know where the Ask Your Instructor blog is. It is located in the full class discussions, and this is where you will also be doing your week 1 introductions. So I wish you much success throughout this course. I'm available. Most times I try to answer my emails as quickly as possible, and I just want to wish you much success in this course as we move forward together. See you in the course room.